Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial about GitHub Pages. Before we start, this video has something special in the way it was recorded. If you want to know more about it, stick around to the end of the video and find out what it is. Also, I'm going to be uploading content every Monday and Friday, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. GitHub Pages are regular websites hosted in your GitHub repository. You can use as personal pages or even for things like open source project documentation, as many other users are already doing. Since it is hosted as one of your GitHub repositories, it is ready to go as soon as you push any HTML, CSS, and JavaScript up. I'm going to be creating one for my GitHub organization, Enter Flash. So go ahead and click New Repository. Then for the repository name, we're going to type in exactly the same username as in GitHub or the organization name. In my case, it is Enter Flash. Then we type in .github.io. I'm going to write a simple description and you need to set the repository as public. Then we just click on create and that's it. Then in my computer, I'm going to create a new file. Call it index.html and I'm going to insert some HTML with a simple h1 tag, and this is what I'm going to be testing my GitHub page with. Now I need to run a couple commands to initialize my GitHub repository. First command is going to be git init. Then we're going to stage all the files to be committed, and for this we type in git add all. Then we type in git commit m and the initial commit message like this. Then we're going to change the name of the branch to main, so we type in git branch m main. Now we go to the repository and copy the link. We're going to now type in git remote add origin and we paste the GitHub link. And finally we're going to say git push u origin main, and this is gonna upload the index.html file to the GitHub repository. As soon as we push it to the repository, you can go ahead and enter flash.github.io, or in your case whatever your username is, and see the changes already live in your GitHub page. Now, another cool feature about GitHub Pages is that you can also create a GitHub page for a specific project. And to do this, we're going to go, in my case, to this repository called Discord bot. And I'm going to select add file and then create new file. Now, as the file name, I'm going to set index.html. And I'm just going to write in some simple HTML. Finally, we're going to commit this file, but we're going to do it in another branch. So the branch is going to be called gh-pages, like this. Once we do that, as you can see, a new branch was created, and now we can easily access it by just going to the username organization page and then slash and the project name. So in my case, it is enterflash.github.io/discordbot. Now, this also can take a couple minutes in case you made any changes because of cache, but there it is. That's how you use GitHub Pages. Now, create awesome things with it. Before we go, I'm recording this video using a Python bot I created myself that basically helps me edit less video by skipping on that space. If you want to know more about this bot and how I created it, visit my Twitter profile where I've created a small thread about this bot and linked the GitHub repository for you to see the code. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.